Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feel so right.
Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ivy. I am a wife and mom of 4 older kids. On my channel, I like to do cooking, cleaning, homemaking, and lifestyle type things. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. In this video, I have a lot of cleaning motivation. This is not the beginning of my spring cleaning yet. This is just some stuff that I really needed to get done in the house. And so if you need some cleaning motivation, I have a ton of it in this video. I'm going to be cleaning most of the upstairs in this video. So let's just go ahead and get to cleaning.
I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here.
Does it tell you you're gorgeous? Does it bring you flowers? And can it see that you're flawless? 'Cause you are irreplaceable. Yeah, you are something he don't know. That is your dreams, you like your royal. But I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart breaks. When it breaks. I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart breaks, baby. Baby, can you see it? Just kick back, think it over. We could be so perfect. I just want you to know that. 'Cause you are irreplaceable. Yeah, you are something he don't know. That is your dreams, you like your royal. But I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart breaks. When your heart breaks, baby. I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart breaks, baby. You are flawless, like a Roby. And what you do to me is so groovy. Undying beauty. Nobody could ever compare. You are all that I need, and you know that I care. I'll be there for you. When the sky come down, I'll be there for you. When the sun goes down. 'Cause you are irreplaceable. Yeah, you are something he don't know. That is your dreams, you like your royal. But I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart breaks. When it breaks. I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart breaks, baby. I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart breaks, baby. I'll be here when your heart breaks. When your heart breaks, baby. You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So we're coming to the end of this video. I hope this gave you some motivation to clean, to get your weekend started, or if you just needed some cleaning motivation or just something to make you give you company while you clean or whatever. I hope I motivated you to get up and clean something or get up to do something. And I really appreciate you guys watching and supporting my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this cleaning, and I will be back with more videos. I hope you all have a very blessed weekend, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.